Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. I am just coming to show y'all my latest shopping hauls. Okay, so I went to TJ Maxx because I was looking for new bed pillows, but of course you can't go in TJ Maxx and not end up with a whole cart full of stuff you didn't plan on going in there for. So I don't know if y'all have ever seen the Anna Lee dolls. I love them. But this is the first of my collection. I've never had any before, but they had this one for Easter, and she was only $16.99. They had this one for $14.99, and this one for $14.99. And then at Dollar Tree, I got these. We'll do something with them. But they're, big eggs. I got a bunch of florals, y'all. I have these now. You get 2 in a pack. They had them in the blue and pink. And I got, they had fabric. Sometimes they do. So I picked up the blues because the patriotic holidays are coming. And then I thought that was pretty for spring. And at Target, they had this. And they're calling it signs, but I'm going to use it in my tiered tray. You get 3 pieces for $3. It's a little truck, an egg, and then a little sign. They had these. I think they called them charcuterie boards. Yeah. I thought they were so cute. They're $5 a piece, but they're really cute, y'all. And then they had the little dish towel sets, and I got a couple of these. And at Goodwill, don't ever pass up grapevine wreaths if you see them. I got 2 of these they're stuck together, for $2.99 each. You know, I'm collecting baskets for my basket wall. And I got a couple more baskets. I found a couple more baskets. This one was $1.59. And it's kind of a goldish color. I don't know if y'all can tell. And then I got this one for $1.99. Then I got this fabric. I don't know how much fabric is here, but it looks like it's several yards. For $1.99, and I thought it was really pretty for springtime. I'm really into this mint color. Like the color of jadeite. And then I got this bench, y'all. And it was, I think it was $7.99. Love you all. Bye-bye.